Hello and welcome. You're watching Musings with Software Engineer. Trailblazer, thank you, sir. I'm working in an MNC as a support engineer. From few months, and few people had demotivated me by saying that your career will only be good if you are into development. See, we live in a world where we are all in a crab mentality, and the crab mentality is that if I'm not moving forward, nobody else should move forward. And if you can come out of that crab mentality, and if you don't worry about what other people are saying, then you can easily start developing your career. You know, you can easily start working in a way which your all those people who are demotivating you, even they will not understand what happened to Trailblazer today. Yesterday he was like a demotivated guy, and now like he's getting all the appraisals. He's moving fast. Suddenly from support he's gone into development, or in support you become like the person within support, because support is not a small role, it's a very important role. See, understand that every part of software industry is important. You cannot say that only software development is important, because for example, without UX and UI, a software developer may not be able to build a beautiful application. If they cannot build a beautiful application, nobody will be able to sell that application. Nobody sells the application, then there won't be any money, and if there is no money, nobody gets paid. Correct? Okay, everything depends on how whatever you are working on, your product, how that product does well. So support has a very important role, because let's say the software engineer left a lot of bugs. It is the support who's clearing all those bugs. It's the support who's helping the customer to navigate those bugs. Correct? So support is such an important role, and you cannot just say that, oh, support is not important. No, 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 every role, otherwise why would there be a role of support if the support was not important? Okay, and you will see that as you move ahead in your career, uh, as managers, if you started as support, you have a lot of value when you started as a support. If you go into different things within the software industry, like I have worked in support, I have worked in marketing, I have worked in sales, because I run a business, right? And even in my first job, I was doing customer support also and sales also, because all customer support were supposed to do sales. Okay, so I learned all those things. Then I was able to do support, then I was able to do programming. Okay, then because I built a big business, I understood finance, and I understood accounting, and I understood how to hire people, how to fire people. I understood the HR side of the entire thing. So it was easy for me to become a director of engineering, which requires all these capabilities. So don't look at your role as this. Tomorrow you will not even remember what you were doing 10 years back. Okay. So don't get demotivated by people. If somebody is coming to demotivate you, then that is a negative energy, and you should not listen to those people. You just listen, smile, don't give any reply, don't argue. Because see, when you argue with somebody, you lose your energy. I used to argue a lot with people, but then I realized that they are not having a problem. Okay, when you argue, your energy is lost. You become demotivated, you become depressed. So I stopped arguing. I stopped arguing with people. I said, okay, I should not argue with people. Instead of that, I should develop myself. And that's the whole reason why I read so many books. That's the whole reason why I came up with A players, because I feel that a lot of people don't know exactly how these companies work. Okay, companies hire people, and companies want to promote you. See, companies have a very good intention. Think about this. TCS has 4 lakh employees. Okay, if each employee has a family of 4, okay, so 4 lakh into 4 is 16 lakh people. TCS is impacting 1.6 million people. It is such a big thing. You have to understand. Now, if employees within TCS really start focusing on their work and making sure that TCS is always at the top, what is going to happen? Those employees will rise in the ranks. Okay, those employees will become managers, they will become senior managers, they will become directors, they will become vice president. And TCS is such a large company that it can easily create like 1,000 senior managers who have really good salaries, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore. Correct? There was a report about Infosys. I think more than 100 uh, employees of Infosys were above 1 crore salary packages. Why? Because these were the people who started with Infosys. These were the people who slowly developed themselves within Infosys, went into different departments, learned everything, kept on rising one step, one step, one step. Now, these people are really important people. Okay. See, don't think about of your career as a 90 days, 1 year thing or 2 years thing. Think of your career as a 10-year or a 20-year or a 40-year thing. Okay. Have a vision of next 3 years. Okay, next 3 years, where do you want to reach within your company? Don't even need to change the company, and start learning that. Start becoming the best with your clients. Slowly, you will start rising, and people will who are telling you will be jealous of you. Okay, so don't listen to all the people negative. If you want to listen to something, come to this live and you can listen to me, and I'm sure that I'll motivate you positively that your next week till the next Thursday live will go really good. Okay, see, from today, make it your mantra, this one mantra, that you will do your support engineer job such that each and every client that you touch will say good things about you. Okay, you have to only focus on making sure your client's problem is solved to 100%. 100%. Okay, when this starts happening, you will see so much of energy will be released that your manager will notice that oh, our trailblazer is doing something which the rest of the support engineers are not doing. And remember, the rest of the support engineers are not on this call, so they are not motivated, so they will remain demotivated. But you become motivated, and slowly, suddenly, within 6 months to 1 year's time, your manager will think about giving you a appraisal or giving you. And sometimes it may not happen in 1 year, but it may happen in 2 years. Okay, I'll tell you a story of one engineer. We hired one engineer. Okay, he comes from a very remote place within Bihar, and he joined our company. We had to take a Skype interview because he could not come to give an interview in Pune. So we hired him. But when we hired him, we were doing a hiring in lot, so we did not have a specific project to give it to him. But we gave him one project which had only two engineers on it, and we said, okay, you start with this, and when we have something, we will look at it. What did this engineer do? He went around, he made friends with all the other engineers in R&D, in consulting, in support. He started telling all the engineers that if you have any problem that you cannot solve, come to me, I will solve the problem and give it to you. And in 2 years, this engineer solved so many problems that after 2 years, we had an annual function. And in annual function, we had these 8 tables. We were playing a game, and each table had 8 or 9 people, and everybody has to select one person who they call as a player on any other table. And do you know, out of the 8 table, 7 tables selected his name. So only the table, his table could not select his name, because you could not select people on your table. You have to select somebody from other table. So 8 people, even my CEO was surprised. And then I was surprised because I was his manager. I was the director. Okay. And then I went behind the scene, and I was shocked. My CEO was shocked. We raised his salary 4 times in that appraisal. 4 times. Okay, he was getting a fresher salary, and we gave him a 4 times salary. His salary went above a lot of senior software engineers within our company, just because of that one thing. Because it was a no brainer for us. Okay, that this is so. When you start working like that, when you start working in that manner, then nobody can stop you. Focus on yourself and focus on your work and focus on what you are creating. I call this creation. Okay, focus on your process what you are creating. You're creating a software, you are solving somebody's problem as a support engineer. If you are a manual tester, you are testing something to make a good product. If you are a documentation engineer, you are documenting something so that people who read that documentation is going to do well. Okay, so whatever you are creating, you focus on the process such a way that your work is amazingly good. Okay, and then you don't have to ask for appraisal and all. You will be amazed at how your salary start increasing. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so don't worry, trailblazer. I think you will do well in your life. Okay, just like your name suggests. I don't know what is your real name. You can tell me your real name, but that's what is my advice. But your words gave me clarity and removed my fear and has motivated to perform well in my current job. Absolutely. You should perform. See, your company is giving you money to perform well in the job. You do a better job than what they are paying you, and they will start paying you more. You do a better job than what they are paying you, and they will start paying you more. That's how the appraisal system works. There is no other secret to it. Okay, and if you want to know other secrets, then you always have my A player system, which is very easy. Okay, and it's not very costly. It's just 5,000 rupees for lifetime access. Please understand that. Okay, and all of you who are here, do spread this video, like this video before you go, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon, because when you press the bell icon, you will get a notification when I come live. I'm coming live on the same time, Thursday, 9 5 p.m. We will see you in the next live. Thank you very much.